The e-learning center at Prince Sultan University presents this tutorial on adding equation questions to your Moodle quiz. Firstly, on your quiz page, click Add, then select a new question. Next, in the Choose a Question Type to Add window, select Essay and click Add. Then, specify the question category and enter a question name. Following this, in the question text Moodle editor, click the three dots, then the equation editor icon. Next, build your equation using the provided tools. To add advanced equations, select the Advanced tab and choose the required equation. Modify variables as needed. After that, preview the equation in the Equation Preview box. Click Save Equation to use it in your question. Finally, click Save Changes. Alternatively, you can click Preview to view the equation in a pop-up window. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching. Please don't hesitate to contact us for further support.